Hi guys, just popping in. We work together with our travel partner Life Wellness Azores on developing and promoting packages and tours to the Azores. The best way to experience these beautiful North Atlantic Portuguese islands in mainland Portugal is to go low and slow. What do we mean when we say low and slow? It basically means that you would come during the off season, pretty much escape the tourist season. And while you're traveling to the location, in this case Portugal or the Azores, you'd be traveling at a slow pace. When you're traveling at a fast pace, and I've done those kinds of trips, you don't really experience what the country has to offer because it's too fast. When you slow it down and take it all in a much slower pace, the memories wind up being a lot stronger. You will always remember when you sit there having a nice coffee in Italy, in Tuscany, somewhere on the beach having a drink, and you start talking to somebody, you don't have to be fast tracking out of there, how much more you get from it. And that's why we've chosen to really focus on this type of travel. Today we're letting you know about 3 amazing package tour deals. Tour package experience number 1, the best of the Triangle Islands. This one you get to experience 3 beautiful islands in the central group of the Azores, Faial, Pico, and São Jorge. Extend your trip by 3 nights to 10 nights and add the island of São Miguel, and you have experienced tour option number 2, which is the best of the Azores. 10 nights discovering 4 islands in the middle of the North Atlantic. On this package tour, you're going to get a really good taste of what the Azores is all about. Tour experience number 3 is the best of Portugal. This is 9 days, 8 nights, experiencing places like Lisbon, Ericeira, Tomar, Porto, and much more.